traders, I'm looking at the euro dollar here. Look at this price action. In fact, what I want to do is show you this. Current price, look what we're trading into. So it's this red candle, bullish order block, daily time frame, big level, really big level. And look at all the business that's been done down through here. So this is a strong support level right here. And it's well and truly overextended. So, you know, my question, you know, we've got data coming out later today. My question is smart money pushing this down deliberately, knowing what's going on? I really don't trust bigger players. Honestly, I don't trust them at all. I've seen time and time again how price action shapes up into big data releases, and it is always to the benefit of smart money. And I wouldn't be surprised that, you know, they've pushed this all the way down. They're going to unload here, and we see this rebound. All right, look where it's traded. We're coming into data. Yeah, I don't trust this at all. My thing with this, and look, I wouldn't be buying or selling at this level. I'm a trend continuation trader. I don't really want to take on this counter trend trade, but I'd be interested if we get a move. So we've got this bullish order block here on the daily, and you know, I mean, a move back up into, look at these lows over here, something like that. So we've got potential resistance sitting here, and definitely up in here. If we see this thing rebound off data today, I would look to sell. Now, here's the other thing. You don't want to be buying or selling into support or resistance. See, look at this. Look at this value down here, this value area. This is big support. You don't want to be selling into that. You want to be selling or buying and selling into a void. Now, where's the void? Okay, have a look back up in here. What are we on the daily time frame? You know, the opportunity to sell was way back up in there. And you are trading into a void. That's the void. This is not a void here. So see this thin candle back in here? No, that's what we're looking at. And there's nothing in here. Okay, that's the kind of opportunity that you really want. So for me, you know, we can go down to a 4 hour. We've got it marked up. I kind of, I like what I'm seeing here. Okay, we've got this level, value area. Okay, there's a level there. So, you know, a move back up into these levels here. It's a fairly deep pullback, but I think I would be looking at setting up a limit sell. Wow. I don't know. I mean, look, swing high, swing low. Yeah, the 50, you know, in around here would be my call. Short position. Just don't underestimate how far this thing can move, guys. Stop above. And target these lows as a 2R outcome. But I don't want to get involved down in here. Yeah, alrighty. So that's my take on the euro dollar at the moment. Share the love, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Definitely comment below and you know, express your thoughts on this. Give me some ideas. That would be awesome. You know, I love to share ideas with other traders. So with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.